From minimalism to maximalism, bold and stunning home decor trends, shaping 2025. The realm of interior design is undergoing an exciting transformation, and 2025 is the year to celebrate both simplicity and bold self-expression. As homeowners and designers alike seek to redefine personal spaces, this year's trends bring the calming elegance of minimalism alongside the vibrant energy of In 2025, decor is not just about filling space. It's about creating a focal point with carefully curated statement pieces that anchor each room with a unique, eye-catching ambience. Whether you gravitate toward a serene, clutter-free aesthetic or prefer a lively, personality-packed environment, the essence of modern design lies in intention balancing comfort with creativity for a truly harmonious home. A defining trend of 2025 is the seamless integration of natural elements with artistic expressions. This fusion is seen in the use of sustainable materials, where handcrafted furniture and organic textures offer an authentic touch, harmoniously paired with luxurious patterns and bold color contrasts. Neutral tones serve as a foundation, providing a tranquil backdrop, while jewel-toned accents and intricate wallpaper designs inject warmth and depth into living spaces. Moreover, ambient lighting emerges as a pivotal aspect, sculpting cozy corners and emphasizing standout decor elements to ensure every room feels both inviting and inspirational. Regardless of whether your taste aligns with the sleek sophistication of modern minimalism or the rich layers of maximalist interiors, 2025's design ethos encourages self-expression through decor. Luxury home accents, statement rugs, and curated wall art collections are taking center stage as essentials in the transformation of living spaces. The overarching goal is to shape a home that not only mirrors your personality but also elicits joy with every detail. This approach goes beyond aesthetics. It's about designing with heart, where each choice, be it subtle textures or striking patterns, tells a story imbued with warmth, character, and individuality. As this year progresses, the emphasis is on personalizing spaces in a way that fosters a sense of belonging and comfort, celebrating the story behind each piece. From vintage collections that nod to cherished eras, to futuristic designs that look ahead, the interiors of 2025 serve as a canvas for storytelling. The careful selection of decor, colors, and materials transforms homes into sanctuaries of expression, bridging past and present with a forward-thinking perspective. This evolutionary step in design goes beyond mere decoration. It is about curating an environment that reflects the uniqueness of its owner, weaving a tapestry of lived experiences into the very fabric of our everyday surroundings. In summary, the world of interior design in 2025 is defined by its diversity and depth, where minimalism and maximalism coexist in a dynamic interplay of aesthetics. It's a year of embracing the duality of calm and exuberance, crafting spaces that are both functional and inspirational. The future of home decor is a vibrant, creative journey of exploration and expression, focusing on intentional choices that highlight beauty, sustainability, and an unwavering commitment to individuality. Whether you choose to simplify or embrace complexity, the aim remains the same: a home that is as unique and inviting as the people who inhabit it.